Anton Dex, push the button. Hopefully sponsored by Maltesers.
ITV1, and it's time to push the button. Please welcome your host, Ant and Dec.
Thank you. Toucan. Seriously, you're Toucan. Hello and welcome to Push the Button, the show where two families battle it out for the chance to take home a massive cash prize.
Thousands of families apply to be here, and tonight we've got two more who are ready to play games that are difficult, demanding, and above all, desperately silly.
But first, back to Monday morning when we surprised both families with the news they'd made it onto the show. Now, this week, they live hundreds of miles apart in Essex and... Thanks, Essex. And Liverpool. Which meant Dec and I had to split up and visit one family each.
Now, whoever went to Liverpool would have a very, very long day. So I took the producers to one side and I told them, no matter how much travelling was involved, no matter how early the day started, no matter how late it finished, I was more than happy for Ant here to do it.
Yeah, thanks.
Don't mention it. Here's how we got on in Essex and Liverpool.
This week, I'm laying in wait at a brickyard, ready to surprise a real-life Bob the Builder from the Shaw family. He's coming now. He's on his way.
The last place in Europe or something? I think it's round about here. Yeah, these ones here.
Is this the brick you're looking for? Hey, Bob! Where you going? Come back here.
What I was going to use is a couple of swear words.
Who's it? So everybody's off. Oh, Michael, oh, Paul. Oh, Robert, that's who we want. Hello, Rob. It's Ant. I'm not joking. Hey! Hey! How are you? It's not a joke. It's really me. So we're all here then, Team Shaw. The winning team?
Essex to surprise Vicky from the Bennett family. She's out for a bit of window shopping. Let's see if anything catches her eye.
Oh, is this the shop that your sister said she owned? Yeah. Oh, Eddie, look at this dress. Oh, my God.
Hello? Come here, you. Don't run away. Hello? Oh, I like this. Hello?
Hello?
It's Dec here. Give us a wave.
Hi.
You're leaving Oman tonight, and we're bringing you back to London. This is the bit I like.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the stars of tonight's show, the Shaws and the Bennetts. Welcome to the show, guys. Ready, Shaws?
Ready, Bennett?
Ready, everyone?
Good. First thing is first, then. We're going to give you both £100,000. There you go. But, and it's a big but, neither of you will finish with that amount of money. That's because you're going to play 4 games that are all designed to take money off that total. After those games, the family with the most money left will take on the mighty Dave at the end of tonight's show.
OK, let's get started with game number 1. Our families have no idea who will be playing the first game, so I can now reveal that playing this one for the Shaws is... Michael.
And first up tonight for the Bennetts is... Vicky! So, Vicky and Michael, come and join us for the first family face-off.
All right. Good. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, Michael, have the Shaws got any good luck charms for this evening? I know the answer to this. I know the answer. You have, haven't you?
We definitely have, yes.
What is it?
It's a dummy model mannequin, if you like, called Clive.
Called Clive. Is Clive here tonight?
He most certainly is. He's in the crowd over there.
That's all right. And you've got this mannequin, Clive.
Yeah, he goes to all the
just
family
hanging around the
parties.
house. He goes to parties.
The family parties, he's always the first on the guest list.
Why do I always get the crazy family? It's something to be proud of, you know. Well, I'm sure Clive will be supporting you tonight, as will everybody else here from Liverpool.
So. Yeah.
I'm kind of scared. Kind of scared. Good luck tonight, Michael.
Right,
all the very best.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck with that lot. Vicky, how has the week been for you?
Well, very nerve-wracking for us all, obviously. On Monday morning, there was a knock at the front door.
Yeah.
So Mum and I were really excited, screaming and shouting, thinking, oh, this is it, this is it.
And who was at the door?
The A1 lady.
What about the rest of the family?
Well, Liz, Sister Liz, while she was driving home from work, saw a man in a chicken suit. Convinced it was you guys, so she followed it.
Yeah.
Followed it down the road, and no, it wasn't.
What day did you see it?
On a Monday.
On a Monday?
On Monday.
You see, I only wear my chicken suit on a Saturday. That's where she went wrong.
It's only his weekend thing. Well, good luck tonight.
Thank you.
Very excited to have you here. Let's show you both the first game of the evening. This is Make Mine a Double.
As always, all games are tested by guinea pigs just for you at home. Here they are, accompanied by the voice of the legendary Ronnie Corbett.
Ant and Dec have opened their own lookalike agency. They've got Amy Winehouse, Will Smith, Prince Charles and Harry, Gordon Ramsay, Anne Robinson and Johnny Depp. Players must race to line up the lookalikes in order of age. When they're happy with the choice, they can push the button. But the countdown will only stop when all the lookalikes are in the right place.
So, it's all about lining them up in order of the age of the celebrity they look like. Youngest on the left, oldest on the right. And before we reveal them, we should tell you there are no Ant and Dec lookalikes. There's a good reason for that, though.
They're opening a supermarket in Doncaster.
Yes.
Very lucrative.
Very, very lucrative. OK, then, good luck, Vicky, and good luck to you if you're playing along at home. Can we reveal the lookalikes? OK, Vicky, your time starts at edge when you push the button.
We're off!
Keep talking to them, Vicky, tell them.
Sorry.
So, place Prince Harry, moving Will Smith and putting Amy Winehouse.
Thank you. Okay.
Lovely to meet you.
Where's he gone? Where's Prince Charles gone?
Delighted to meet you.
Swap him with
Right,
Ram.
stop you there, please.
Will Smith goes into third.
Who's for? Where's he going to go, Vicky?
Oh, I love anywhere you want to go. Where you take me, eh? Absolutely. All right.
Gently, I've had extensive surgery.
Where have I got to go, for goodness sake?
The time's ticking down, Vicky.
No, we'll get a move on. You're wasting money up. I prefer the throwing.
There we go, and finally, Alan Robinson in last place. Sorry, Vicky, push the button. Let's try that. Two row.
They need to swap.
Come with me, please. Come with me. You come back here, please. Can we go?
Get him on there.
Very good work.
Well done.
Thank you.
We've got the ages here. We'll run through them for you.
Let me just take you through them. First up, Prince Harry there, 25 years old. Amy Winehouse in second place, 26. Will Smith is 41. Gordon Ramsay in 43. Johnny Depp, 46. Prince Charles,
41.
sir, 61. And finally, on the end there, Anne Robinson is 65 years old.
But well done. You've done well there. That's a good start.
Thank you.
You managed to stop your total at £92,672. I think it's pretty good. So that will return your family, Vicky. And we'll welcome back Michael and the Shaws. Okay, Michael, you ready for this?
Yeah.
You up for
Let's
it?
do it. Let's do it.
Youngest on the left, oldest on the right.
Yeah.
Your time starts at ends when you push the button.
He's off.
Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie.
Hang on a minute. Call it. Call back, call it. Oh, we go.
Just be careful, eh?
Get on there. You can't see, you can't see.
There we go. Two right.
That's it. Keep talking to him as well, Michael. Swap them around. Tell them where you're going.
Try again.
Push it, try it.
Three right.
Swap it, go in here.
Well, you managed to stop your total at £94,796. Very quick. Let's hear it one more time for Michael.
And let's find out how the totals are looking after game one. Here's Ronnie.
After tonight's first game, the Bennetts are in second place on £92,672. That means it's the Shaws who are out in front on £94,796.
Still a long way to go. Time for a break now, but we'll be back in a few minutes with a game that's very moving. Don't go anywhere!
Welcome back to Push the Button, where it's time for our second game of the night, and I can now reveal that playing for the Shaws, it's Bob.
And playing for the Bennetts is Liz. So Liz and Bob, come and join us for the second family face-off.
Now then, Bob, you've got no idea what to expect tonight. Anything in particular you think you'd be good at?
Well, to be honest with you, my wife goes on about me being a bad dancer, but I tell you what I am good at, Irish dancing.
Oh, yeah? Irish dancing? You're good at Irish dancing? Oh, I see some Irish dancing fans in the audience. Do you think you should give us a quick demonstration? Are you up for that, Pat? You up for that?
Yeah, game for it.
Yeah, OK. OK, then let's cue the Irish music. Your wife's wrong. You are good. You are a good little dancer. In fact, I know someone else here in this studio who does a little bit of Irish dancing too. You do, don't you?
I used to. A long, long time ago.
You could do some now.
I haven't done it for about 20 years.
We'd love to see him do it now.
I will do a little bit. I don't know if I can remember it. I'll do a little bit.
OK, then. Let's cue the music.
I'm a little bit rusty, to be honest.
Come here, Bob. Oh, well done. We'll have to wait and see what the next game is to see.
Wasn't that my game?
No! Listen, the very best of luck tonight.
Thanks
good
a lot,
dancing,
man.
good technique.
Thanks a
Well
lot,
done.
mate.
Well done, Bob. Liz, is there anything you would be worried about facing tonight? Anything you don't want to face?
Probably birds, anything to do with birds. I just don't like them.
I'm the same, you see. You meet very few people the same, but I'm the same. I don't like their feathers, I don't like their little claws, and the worst bit is their sharp beaks, you think pecking at your eyes. You know, I think they're vermin. Rats of the sky, pigeons and stuff. You know, I'm really bad on birds.
No, I'm not quite that bad, but I'm worried about them.
Nobody's that bad.
No, that's a bit excessive. I'm worried about them pooing on me. And that's it.
Right, why is that? Has that happened to you before?
Yeah, once.
What happened?
I was in the school playground and we was queuing up to go in, and there was like 3 years worth of kids, and I was in my line and I made a special effort not to be looking out for them because I was always really panicky. But I didn't this day, and it got me right in the face. And then I had to go...
Sorry. Did they call you names and stuff?
No.
Did they call you names?
Maybe poo face. I'm a bit sensitive about it.
I'm sorry I mentioned it. Let's hope for both of our sakes there are no birds here tonight.
Yes, let's hope so.
Me
no
for the pecky beaks in my eyes, and you for the poop on your face.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, I think it's time to reveal game number 2 this evening. This is Moving Day.
Here's Ronnie with the rules.
Ant and Dec are moving house, but all the possessions have got mixed up. They've got 20 boxes, 10 of them have something inside, but the other 10 are empty. The removal men will move all the boxes around the stage. Players must watch carefully and then take it in turns to choose a box. The first player to choose an empty box loses, and their opponents get to push the button and take £5,000 off their total.
And we're going to play this one 3 times, so if you watch closely, you could take up to £15,000 off your opponent. OK, removal men, please show us who has got 4 boxes, please.
OK, there you go. Keep your eyes on those boxes. Follow the boxes and not the people. First positions, please. Thank you very much, removal men and ladies. It's time to move it.
There we go. OK, Liz, your family is behind, which means you get first pick. Pick a box with something inside, please.
3.
Number 3, step forward, number 3. Thank you very much. Good luck, Liz. We need something to be in here. Is there anything inside this box? No, there's not.
So, Bob, if you find something in one of these boxes, you win round 1.
Number 19.
Number 19.
Please.
Best of luck, Bob. Is there anything in here? It's the salt and pepper shakers!
Which means Bob takes round 1. Well done, Bob. You can take £5,000 off the Bennetts. All you got to do is push the button. There we go. Well done. OK, time for round 2. Removal men and ladies. Where are the boxes with stuff in? And if we're ready, let's move it.
I like the way you move.
OK, Bob, you get to go first. What number do you want?
This young chap here, number 7.
Number 7 here?
Number 7.
Just step out for me. Let's hope there's something in box number 7 for you, Bob. It's our signed picture of Susan Boyle.
OK, then, Liz, it's over to you. You need to get something. You need to find a box with something in, or Bob wins this round as well, OK?
Yeah.
What number do you want?
Number 2.
Let's have a look if there's anything in number 2. Let's hope so, Liz, to keep you in the game. Is there anything in box number 2? It's Aunt's teddy bear, Ed the Ted.
Well done. That means it's back to you, Bob.
16.
Let's have a look in box number 16. To keep you in the game, Bob. Let's have a look. It's empty.
It's empty. It's empty, Bob. So, Liz, it's over to you. If you find a box with something in, you win round 2 and you get to take £5,000 off the shores. What number do you want?
6.
This to take the round, Liz. Let's see if there's anything in box number 6.
Yeah.
Yes! It's the teddy bear of death!
Well done. Well done, Liz. You take round 2 and you get to take £5,000 off the shores. All you have to do is push the button. Well done, Liz.
OK, time for round 3 now. Removal men, show us where the boxes are, please. And if we're all ready, let's move it. Liz, you get to pick first on this one.
4.
Number 4.
Good luck, Liz. You done well last time. Is there something in this box? It's my teddy bear!
Well done, Liz. All right, Bob, we have to find an object to stay in the round, otherwise Liz takes the final round. Where do you want to go?
Number 10.
Number 10.
OK, number 10, then. To stay in the game, you need something to be in this box.
Please.
And there's something inside, yes? It's Alan Shearer. What are you doing? The We'll be up again
I'm
next
sensing
season.
a bit of hostility out there. Well done, Bob. Still in the game. Liz, your pick.
15.
Very best of luck, Liz. Is there anything in this box? Let's find out. It's Wonky Donkey!
Well done, Liz. Still in the game. Bob, this to stay in the game.
I said 16 before, I'll stick with 16.
Is there anything in this box? No.
It's empty. Which means Liz takes round 3. And most importantly, she gets to take £5,000 off the shows. All you got to do is push the button. There we are. Well done, Liz.
And let's find out how the totals are looking after game 2. Here's Ronnie Corbett.
It's all changed after game 2. The Shaws are now behind on £84,796. Meaning that the Bennetts are in the lead on £87,672.
Still a long way to go. That's the end of part 2, but we'll be back after the break with a game that's completely up in the air. See you for that in a few minutes. This week it's the Shaws from Liverpool against the Bennetts from Essex. The family with the most money after 4 games gets the chance to take on the mighty Dave and win every pound of their total.
OK, it's time for our 3rd game of the night. It's called A Right Handful. Robbie from the Shaws and Tony from the Bennetts have been training for this one all week. While they go and get ready, here's Ronnie with the rules.
Robbie and Tony have been training with record-breaking juggler Christian Christoph. Now they must take to the stage and show off their juggling skills. When both performances are over, 100 audience members will vote for their favourite juggler, and whoever gets the most votes wins.
Please welcome Robbie, Tony, and all the way from Hungary, juggling superstar Christian Christoph!
Both hands. All the way.
Christian, lovely to see you.
Lovely to
Welcome
be here.
to the show. How do you think they did?
I think they did fantastic. Actually, juggling cigar boxes, it's much harder than it looks.
And it looks pretty hard, I have to say. It looks really, really hard. You must be proud of them.
Absolutely. Great job, guys. It was real fun.
Thanks, Christian.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
One more time, let's hear it for Christian Christoph!
Well, what can we say? How did it feel when you found out earlier in the week that the task was juggling?
I've got no coordination, and everyone knows me for being clumsy.
Right.
So it was a nightmare task, and I just wanted to do my best and just put me all in, and hopefully, yeah.
Tony, now you haven't had it easy this week either, have you?
No.
You flew back from Oman
Yep,
on Monday evening,
that's right. Got here 6:30 Tuesday morning.
and then you got thrown straight into this head first.
Yep.
And you've just been practicing ever since, I presume?
Yeah. I went to practice near the hotel at Regent's Park, and there was a couple of people stopped to watch. And of course, you know, I think they thought I was a street juggler, and they stopped to watch, and I dropped a couple.
So you didn't even make any money out of it?
No, nothing.
Well done, but it's not up to us, it's up to our audience. Over to you, audience. Tell us what you thought. Use the buttons in front of you to vote for your favourite. Is it Robbie from the Shores, or is it Tony from the Bennetts? Only you can decide. Push your buttons now!
Okay, the audience have voted, and I can reveal that the winner with 92% of the vote is...
Me.
Tony!
All that hard work has paid off.
It has.
And 92% of the vote translates into £9,200, which you can take off the Shores. All you got to do is push the button.
Sorry, guys.
Well done, mate.
There we go.
Well done. Congratulations. Commiserations. Well, you both give it your best. Let's hear it one more time for Robbie and Tony. And let's find out what that's done to the totals. Take it away, Ronnie.
Going into our final game, the Shores are still behind on £75,596. In the lead are the Bennett family on £87,672.
Opening up a bit of a gap. Time for game 4 now. There are 2 players left on each team because our last game is for 2 players. So Claire and Joanne from the Shores and Jackie and Kat from the Bennetts. Come and join us for the final family face-off.
Hi. Now, you have got no idea what's in store. Joanne, have you got any special skills that you think might help you tonight?
Oh, behave.
What?
I know what this is going to be.
What's it going to be?
I've been brought up with football all my life.
Yes.
And I can do more keep-ups than any of them on there.
Well, you know what my next question is, don't you?
Show me.
Show me. Do you fancy giving it a go, Joanne?
I'll have a go. I don't know how it'll go, but...
I think we need a football. We need a football.
Yeah,
Though. We got a football. Anyone?
Football round here.
Anyone round here got a foot? Oh, here we go. Thanks, Bex.
Thanks, Bex.
Well, she's got a bit of a bad leg there.
Oh, yeah, all right, Tony.
One of our lookalikes. Getting a bit more money there.
All right, Joanne. Ready?
Marvellous.
Well done. You can do it. Well, let's hope it involves football then.
OK, I hope it does too.
You're cousins, you two, aren't you?
Yeah, really close.
Does that mean you're going to work well as a team?
Yeah, definitely.
You see a lot of each other?
Yeah. Mainly involves a pub, but yeah, we see a lot of each other.
Does it? So if this next game involves drinking...
Always win it. Hands down.
Hands down. Fingers crossed here, girls.
Yay.
Fingers crossed. Good luck, then.
OK. Thank you.
So we've got mother and daughter, Kat and Jackie. Kat, what do you do for a living?
I'm an insurance advisor.
An insurance advisor?
Yeah.
So you must be kind of very conscious of health and safety and potential accidents and things like that.
I try to be, but I am a bit clumsy, actually.
You're a bit clumsy?
Yeah.
What's the clumsiest thing you've ever done?
I I shot my face in a car door once. My own face.
You shut your own face in a car door?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Well, it was on the way to a really important family event as well, and it was raining, and I was conscious of keeping my hair out of the rain, so I sort of got out my car door quickly and slammed. I don't know how I did it. I'd never be able to do it again.
That must have hurt.
It hurt quite a bit, yeah.
You're playing with Mum Jackie.
Yes.
Who is married to Tony.
Mm-hmm.
What are your strengths and weaknesses as a team, you two, mother and daughter?
Well, we're both quite bossy, so...
Oh.
Yeah.
Tony's sitting there nodding his head. Now, you've got quite a lead now. You've built up a lead of about £12,000.
Yes, and no
so
pressure.
that's yours to lose. You girls have got to work hard on this one, yeah?
That means nothing in this game, as we've seen before.
It means nothing in this game. Yeah, we have seen that before. Very good. Do you want... You can do my job. Let's have a look at the final game tonight, then. This is Fate Expectations.
Looks good. For the final time tonight, here's Ronnie with the rules.
Ant and Dec have organised the annual Push the Button Fate, where the highlight is always the gallery of gunk. Players must race to empty the tanks by throwing balls at the targets and gunking their victims. 3 members of their own family, plus Ant or Dec. When all 4 people have been successfully gunked, players can push the button and stop the cash countdown.
Now, for this game, Ant and I wanted to stay dry and look cool.
1 out of 2's not bad. You'll take turns to hit the targets, so you decide between you who's going to go first. Claire Joanne, you're behind, so you have to finish first to stand any chance of going through to play Dave.
OK.
So we've got 4 women and a game that's all about throwing balls. We could be here some time. Let's get you all into position. All of you buy your buttons, please. Me and Ant will take up our positions at the end of the row. Here we go. And when you're ready, your time will start when you push your buttons. In 3, 2, 1, push your buttons!
OK, good luck. Oh, she's got a good throw on this one. Oh, close. You're getting close there, Joanne. Oh, you're very close. That's it, keep going. Take your time, don't panic. Yes!
Take your time. Take your time.
You're doing well. Go on, Claire, you're nearly there. That's it, Claire, come on. They've come 3 now, they've come 3. You can't get a move on. It can still be done.
Well done, guys. Congratulations. You eventually pushed the button. You're going through to play for every single pound of $74,660.
Commiserations, guys.
That's life. Never mind.
And I didn't even get gunged.
Oh, my...
Go on, Joanne. Go on, Joanne. Go on, Joanne. Take something. There's more in that one, I'm sure. Come round here, everybody. You've been brilliant, you really have, the shows. You've been brilliant. Nobody leaves here empty-handed. You get to take home, of course, the push the button salt and pepper shaker.
Salt and pepper must include.
We've loved having you. Let's hear it one more time for the show.
But in a moment, the Bennetts will be playing to win an amazing £74,661. We'll see if they can stay focused, keep calm and get one over on Dave right after the break. Don't go anywhere! Tonight's
families are fighting it out for a huge cash prize. For your chance to win £5,000, take a look at these 3 lookalikes from the Make Mine a Double agency and tell us
which of the people they are impersonating was once famously known as the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Was it A, Prince Charles,
B, Prince Harry,
or C, Will Smith?
Call 09049 59 69 70. Calls cost £1 from BT landlines. Calls from other networks may be higher, and from mobiles will be considerably more.
Or text A, B or C as your answer to 63360. Text costs £1 plus 1 standard network rate message. Sky and Virgin Media viewers press red or enter online for free at itv.com.
Entrance must be 18 or over and lines close at 6 p.m. on Saturday. Entries made after the closing time will not be counted but may still be charged. Good luck.
Check this. Someone's got to lighten up. Time for Diet Coke.
Rimmel London's new colour show-off lipstick. Show-stopping shades with staying power. Velvety matte finish. Amazingly wearable colours for any occasion. The UK's #1 lipstick brand. New colour show-off lipstick.
Get the London look.
Capture every move in HD video with the new Sony Ericsson Vivaz and see beauty in the detail. Search Vivaz online.
This one offers 1% and this one also offers 1%.
There is a third option, madame. MoneySupermarket.com.
Whether it's a savings account you're after or a credit card, MoneySupermarket.com compares hundreds. So set yourselves free, my friends, and get online now! MoneySupermarket.com, a great deal easier.
Stay where you are.
Now, watch how a true master negotiates.
I have a secret few have been told about a lost land with wild jungles and ancient ruins where exotic lorikeets rule the sky. Legend also tells of a giant cobra, the biggest you have ever seen. But it is more than legend. It is real. Take on the cobra at Chessington World of Adventures.
Bounce into spring at Smith's Toy Superstores. Save £50 on this fantastic 8-foot trampoline complete with safety enclosure, now $99.99. Or swing into spring with this double swing and seesaw, now half price at $39.99. For more, check out smithstoys.com.
Here's yet another big price crunch at Morrison's. Bailey's 1 litre bottles are now half price. It's Big Price Crunch Week at Morrison's.
We're proud to offer 20% off new Wix 2.5 litre colour emulsion. It's got our name on it. Wix.
Spicy food giving you heartburn? Here's a cool way to get fast relief. Rennie Ice. How cool is that? And also available in a pocket pack. How cool is that?
Barocca. You, but on a really good day.
Welcome back to the final part of Push the Button, where the Bennetts have beaten the Shaws.
They finished with a massive total of £74,661 to play for. But to win the money, they've got to face Dave in the big push.
Well done for making it through to the big push. We'd like to introduce you to our good friend, Dave. It stands for Dynamic Audio Visual Endgame, and Dave is going to generate 5 musical sequences, one for each number of your total. All you have to do is listen to the sequences and then repeat each sequence. You're allowed 1 mistake. If you make more than 1 mistake, you go home with whatever you've won so far. You all clear?
Yes.
Okay then. This is where things get serious. Please step inside Dave. Okay, the very best of luck. Let's play. Dave, for £7, can we have our first 3-note sequence, please? There you go, 3-note sequence. It's now over to you. Good luck.
That was easy enough, wasn't it? To turn that into £74. Dave, can we have a 5-note sequence, please? There we go, there's your 5 notes. All you have to do is repeat them. Yes, lovely job. £74 in the bank.
Well done, guys. Tony, how are you feeling? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm all right.
All right, best of luck, guys. To turn that £74 into £746, Dave, can we have a 7-note sequence, please? Bit harder now. It's over to you. Best of luck. You can still make 1 mistake, and you've now got £746.
You okay there, Vicky?
Oh, my legs are like jello.
Really?
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Kat?
Terrified.
How are you? All right, well, we'll try and get it over with as quickly as we can for you. This is where it starts to get a little bit trickier. We're playing for £7,466. Dave, can we have a 9-note sequence, please? Okay, guys, over to you. 9 notes.
There's a lot of heavy breathing going on over there.
It's a lot of heavy breathing.
You okay?
Yeah.
Best of luck, guys. This is it now. To turn that into your total, an incredible £74,661. Dave, can we have an 11-note sequence, please? Okay, this is it. Everything you've done so far tonight comes down to this moment. Get this right, and you win that total. Good luck. It's over to you.
I'm gonna have to hurry you guys. One of you.
Unlucky. Tony? That's your mistake, though, guys. That's your mistake. So you press. It wasn't you. Liz? Should have been you.
Yeah.
Okay? You should have pressed then. No more mistakes. Now this is it. Dave, can we have a new 11-note sequence, please? All right, this is it. The very best of luck. It's over to you. Here now. Oh, come over here. Let's hear it one more time for the Bennett family. Well, that's all we've got time for this week. But for more Push the Button action, you can go to itv.com/push.
That's it for this week. Thanks to both families. Thanks to Ronnie with the rules. But most of all, thanks to you for watching. We'll see you next week for the last show of the series. Good night, everybody.
Missed any of Ant and Dec's Push the Button? Catch it again at itv.com/ITVplayer, or BT Vision and Virgin Media digital TV viewers can get it on demand. Next tonight, 5 husbands and 6 decades in show business, and she's still going strong at 76. Joan Collins is on Piers Morgan's Life Stories.
Tonight's Ant and Dec's Push the Button was finally sponsored by Maltesers.
Go online and play Push the Button with Ant and Dec at itv.com/push, sponsored by Maltesers.